Sawadee krap tukon. Tonight I have a movie date, so I will take you guys with me. But first, let's get through my daily routine. Alright, workout is done, shower done, and the motorbike is waiting. Bye, Ganlei.
Can you show me tonight?
This one coming up is the Victory Monument, which was built to celebrate the victory of Thailand against France in a conflict they had in the past.
Can you show me tonight? Can you show me tonight? Can you show me tonight? Let it go, let me be the one. Should I know that you want me now? Said I need my love, but I don't know how. Let's get to you, can you show me tonight? Show me tonight.
So we are here now in Sukhumvit Road, which is the main road here in Bangkok. And just in this block where I am now, there are 4 malls. I'm going to Siam Paragon, which is one of the premium malls here in the city.
Can you show me tonight?
But first, we stopped at Joe Wings, which is a fried chicken restaurant here at the mall. They have 9 different flavors and 9 different spice levels. And they claim to use high quality ingredients and high quality oil. And you can definitely taste the difference. We went for the number 9, and it was really good, but pit magle. As I mentioned earlier, this is one of the premium malls in the city. Therefore, it has one of the best cinemas in the city as well. So tonight we are going to watch The Materialists. Here you can choose the seats, and depending on the type of seat you choose, there's a different price. You can pay with credit card, cash, or the local QR payment system. And in this mall you can find different types of theaters. They have IMAX, 4D, and even VIP theaters with beds, unlimited popcorn, and drinks. So you can watch your movie like a king. So here in Thailand, there are basically 2 big cinema brands. One is Major, which is this one that I'm currently at, and the other one is SF. And each of them have different popcorn flavors. But honestly, I always go to the Major ones because they have a truffle flavor, which is Aroy Mak. And another curiosity about going to the movies here in Thailand is that every time before the movie starts, they play a little movie as an homage to the king. So the first time I saw this, I was very confused. But nowadays, most of the people don't stand up anymore. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you like this movie, and see you next time. Bye, Leona.